This video, I want to do the first ride on it because I have not ridden it yet. Like I said, I verified the transmission works, but I have not physically rode it anywhere. Right now, there's no brakes. And I can't even check the brake pads because the front axle is rusted. So can't even do brakes if I wanted to. Can't even get the wheel off. Can't do anything, which is why I have the 185 200S shocks that I have on my 125. So the 200E is getting the exact same setup as the 125, but to keep a 9-inch wheel on the front, I'm doing the ALT 185 rear wheels because they're 9x9, but they have a 0 offset, and they have the 5x130 bolt pattern, which is the bolt pattern of the 185 200S front hub. So, got gas in the auxiliary. I'm not seeing any gas leaking from the carb. Oh, do I? I do see gas leaking from the carb. It's dripping from somewhere. Where's it dripping from? I see gas dripping. Where is it dripping from? Not sure. But alright. Haven't started this joker in 6 months, so let's see what it does. That is the weirdest thing. Alright. All gas, no brakes. Man, this thing is loud. This thing is way too loud. Gas everywhere. I can't be too upset with that. $200. Yo, this Joker is peppy. Like this Joker is like I wasn't expecting. Before I got to figure out why that carburetor leaking gas. I'm about to actually get a rebuild kit for the carburetor. But man, this Joker is way peppier than what I thought she was gonna be. Damn. All right. Well, we know she runs. We know she drives. Shifts up and down, no problem. I'm gonna call that a win. So yeah, let's push forward and let's start getting this thing together. Is it leaking gas? I'm leaking gas from everywhere. Where's it leaking gas from? Here. This thing is just leaking gas. Everything is leaking gas. But yeah, so I just wanted to verify that the transmission actually worked. The high-low selector is broke off, so I'm gonna think that it is stuck in high, because I doubt low will kick that much. So where am I gonna start? Maybe I will start with the front suspension, since I can't do anything with this front suspension, like I said, because the bolts and everything's all locked up and rusted. So maybe we'll do front suspension. I'm going to try to transfer over the rack mounts and everything onto those forks. Wheel bearings, brakes, front wheel, get the front suspension taken care of, and then maybe I'll do gas tank. Maybe I'll start at the front and go to the rear. You know, that's what women do. So maybe that'll be our approach on this 200E. But yeah, but let me get all the gas out of the carb, off of that container, and then next video we'll be starting with the front suspension and the front forks, and then we will kind of move back from there. And I'll probably need to pull the pull start back apart and get all that brake silicone out, because it's not working how it should. So yeah, think, build, enjoy. Let's get this 200E looking like it's maybe 15 years old and not 40. So peace.